This is a quick demonstration video of the Brother GX-6750 electronic typewriter that I have for sale on eBay. I'll just put it into the self-demo mode just to show you how it works. It doesn't look like it's ever been used. It may have. I don't have the original box for it, but it is in excellent condition and it works perfectly. So in order to activate that, we press the backspace key while holding down the Alt key. So and there you see it works very well. And of course the all works good. So if you have any questions, just send me a message through the eBay app. Thanks.